the party wall and on any wall that's leading onto a protected means of escape, we also have lots of electrical sockets. Unfortunately, these walls have not been constructed to a recognised method in line with the manufacturer's test details or design details.
Test data.
Test data.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So it's not just on my fault and it actually looks the part. Let's just do that slightly. Go.
On the party wall, we've also identified that the wall construction is not to 60 minutes, and additionally where the electrical sockets and services feed through the wall's not been constructed in line with manufacturer's test data and supporting designs. So we're having to remove these and put in additional putty pads to give the wall its 60-minute fire rating.